In this video, we will show you how to make money online in just one day. This actually works, and it helped me when I needed it the most. So, are you ready? Let's go. First, a quick disclaimer. I'm going to be showing you how to generate money online in just one day. However, the only method to receive paid money in one day digitally is to get paid in cash. Whatever else you're doing, whatever site you're working with, whether it's a freelancing site like Upwork or conducting surveys on Amazon, Mechanical Turk, or working with an affiliate program, or e-commerce, PayPal account, all of these ways of receiving money will always go through verification. They're going to have to confirm you, and they're going to have to do credit analysis, fraud checks, as well as international handling. All of this stuff is going to take time, so that's just a little disclaimer. If you're new here, then it would mean a lot to us if you subscribe to our channel. Get more life-changing, mindset-shifting, and informative content regularly, only here at WealthMatic. Now I'm going to teach you how and where to make a lot of money online in just a span of 24 hours, just one day, step by step. And now, let's get started. Anyone can take polls for 2 or 10 cents on Amazon Mechanical Turk, but I'm thinking if you're watching this video, you're not seeking to make a few pennies or dollars per hour. Okay, so you're probably in desperate need of big cash. You have probably also checked out affiliate marketing programs for sites like Amazon, where you can get a little commission of $1 for each purchase you suggest. But I'm betting if you're watching this video, you don't want to make $1 or $2 promoting sneakers or whatever. What I am going to show you can make you up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars in just one day. You can realistically only do it in one time, but it is big money and fast money. Because what we're going to do now is go on to ClickBank and advertise a product, which pays out over 90% commission on products sold, and has paid people like you and me billions of dollars since it started. Now I want you to go on ClickBank and click the marketplace right here, and you click on search. Now what you're gonna do is to set the initial price per sale to as high as possible. It is called the high ticket products. Now I assume you wanna make big money doing this. Now choose a high price product and click on promote. You now copy the link and take it to any of your social media pages. For example, go to Facebook and make a post about this product. What you're basically doing is selling it to friends and family, and you keep the 90% commission. It is not more complicated than this. Use your own words when you write the post so that it feels normal to you and to your friends and family on Facebook. Now when people click the affiliate link and buy the product, you will get a whopping 90% commission. You will be able to get it through wire transfer, a check, or whatever you want. Make sure you post this on every social media page you have so that you increase your chances of someone buying the product you are sharing. You can even send the link via email and send it to literally everyone you know. You can also text it to people, send it on Snapchat or Instagram, wherever. So all you have to do is to go here and make an account. And by the way, it's all free. Okay, so now you can create an account by clicking the Create Account button. It will also ask you for your private details such as your identity, mobile number, email address, and personal address. Second step is that it's going to ask you how you want to be paid. Don't be scared that they will ask you for your bank account or banking information. It is a trusted site. Next step, create a nickname or a username, and that's it. Now remember to look for the highest price sale. But remember, you can't do this too many times because you don't want to spam your friends. But it's always a great way of making a lot of money in just one day. That's absolutely correct. And it's easy money as well as big money. Again, ClickBank is a website that pays up to 90% in commission on products sold. It's an affiliate program, but it's a highly aggressive one, with over $3 billion in payouts to people like you and me. So, if you want to make quick money, I strongly suggest going to ClickBank and clicking the marketplace right here and search for the highest priced items. And it's a super simple and quick method to generate a lot of money. And actually, not a lot of people know about this. And that was our video for today. Thank you for watching, and please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to elevate your life from the one that you have to the one that you deserve, be sure to click the subscribe button right now. This has been the one and only WealthMatic, and we will see you on our next video.